An 11-year-old boy is dead after police say he was shot and killed playing a doorbell ringing prank in Houston. A detective working the case says the suspect could be looking at a murder charge now. Ivan Rodriguez has what we should know.
An 11-year-old boy and several other kids were ringing doorbells and then running from homes in an East Houston neighborhood Saturday night. Just before 11 p.m., police say someone came out of one of those houses and chased after them, according to a witness.
They were playing a game of ding-dong ditch, and at which point the person inside that house came out and shot.
The 11-year-old was taken to the hospital and pronounced dead Sunday, according to police. Video from the scene shows a person walking out of a home with their hands in the air. A person was detained for questioning and has since been released, police say. Investigators are reviewing surveillance video and working with the Harris County District Attorney's Office on possible charges. Some neighbors in the area are still in shock.
You don't go knocking on people's doors because of people do strange things.
Detective Michael Cass with the Houston Police Department says the suspect will likely face a murder charge since the death does not appear to involve self-defense and the shooting, quote, wasn't close to the house, according to KHOU. He's asking parents to keep a closer eye on their children to prevent this social media trend from turning deadly.
This would be more cautious of the times we're living in now.
I'm Ivan Rodriguez.